Okay, so y'all probably just saw my recent video where I did the review and unboxing of the Ulta's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar, and I did like a semi-big Ulta haul. Well, for me, I got a wonderful gift card from my dad, and I kind of went nuts in Ulta, so this is kind of like a short Ulta haul, and then I'm going to do a quick review of the Onyx Bathhouse 25 Days of Bliss kit. Advent calendar, whatever it is. Okay, so at Ulta, y'all already know I got the 12 Days of Beauty Advent calendar, which is only 18 bucks. You get like $74 worth of stuff in it, which is not bad. I also got the Ulta Beauty Line It Up 5-piece gel lip liner kit. And actually, these were wrapped in tissue paper, but I took them out and looked at them. What do we have? Oh, come on. We have one in Bloom, Rose, Bear, Spice, and Flesh. I got the Ulta Beauty Pro Sponge Kit. Yeah, I have a beauty blender, but you know what? I like the Ulta sponges just as well. There comes 9 in a kit. You get 3 of the original teardrop shape, 3 of these with the angled sides, and then 3 of the tiny ones. That's really good for getting around your nose piercings if you have them like I do, and putting on concealer and whatnot. Oh, this is just some boring stuff. This is just my skincare stuff. Yeah, it's the the Ulta Beauty brand, but it's really, really good for my skin. I get the foaming cleanser, the hydrating beauty mist, and the melting moisturizer, which these are, I don't know, like 20 bucks each. Not bad because they go on sale a lot, and you can get like buy one, get one 50% off or so, which I believe is what I did with these. Buy one, get one 40% off. So that was a pretty good deal with that. This came from Walmart. Yeah, this came from Walmart, and I actually had a third set, but I got excited to use it, and I opened it, and I think it's in the bathroom. But this is Rub Profusion Cosmetics, the Lips to Go sets. Really good stocking stuffers here. They're right at $5. You get the lip cream, a lip liner, and then a sparkle lip gloss to go on top. I believe they had 5 or 6 different colors. So this would make a really awesome gift for someone. The beauty gems were on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. I believe these were right at 10 bucks each. I got the Luxurious Lip Kit. You get a metallic lip cream, matte, iridescent, and diamond lust. And the other beauty gems item I got was the Glow For It highlighting palette. Now, I prefer liquid highlighters, but every now and again I do get a powder one. I like to use powder sometimes in the summer, and also I use them as eyeshadow. So let me open this, and I have a huge blaringly bright light above me, so I'm going to cover this with paper so that it doesn't blind everybody. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It looks like it could work for dark to light skin tones, and you have all these different colors in between, which, like I said, you know, with your eyeshadow, I like to put a little dot of this like on the inside corner of my eyes just to brighten my eyes up a little bit. So I have a bunch of liquid highlighters, and I thought, you know, why not? Why not just grab a powder palette? This was the free gift at Ulta this month, this cute little palette. I love their free gifts. I said, did that. Oh, this actually came from Dollar Trees, the Say Yes to Tomatoes and Say Yes to Cucumbers clay masks. These are really awesome. It's a good brand. And they come with this little cardboard bowl. You have to unfold it and then pop it open. And then you put the powder mask in there, add a little bit of water, and stir it up with a spatula that comes in with it. And then you just smear it all over yourself and let it dry. If you want to keep your kids out of the bathroom while you're relaxing, you smear that all over yourself and then let them come in. It'll terrorize them and scar them for a little bit, but they'll be all right. My favorite perfume at the moment is Sexy Amber. So that's boring too. Nothing exciting. Let's see, what else do we have that might be kind of exciting? Oh, I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Metallic Liquid Lipstick Set. And I forgot how much that was, but it was a pretty good deal too because I believe this was on sale. These make really awesome little gifts. No, that was not on sale. It was $25. It was not on sale. This clearish color right here looks really good on top of a bunch of other different colors of lipstick I have. It's really sheer. I really love Anastasia Beverly Hills. They've got some good stuff. Let's get that out of the way. This right here is one of the What We Love kits. You know, they have various different kits, skincare and whatnot. Only $29. It has $106 worth of stuff in here. And it comes with a $5 gift card for $5 off of a full size of one of these. And basically what this is the lips and lashes set, which I really like because it lets you try a bunch of different things without having to buy the full size. And if you buy it, you know, you don't like it, you know, it's a waste. But this is a pretty large Anastasia Beverly Hills lip color here. And then you just get a bunch of different mascaras. This is a mascara base from Lancome, some Clinique makeup remover, and then you have a few lip colors up here. This is a lipstick from Urban Decay. This is from Bare Minerals and Buxom Beauty right here. This is a pretty nice set. I really like those. Let's see, what else exciting do I have? I got more skincare stuff. That's not very exciting. This was exciting. The Urban Decay Elements palette. Y'all know I adore Urban Decay. Their eyeshadow palettes are my favorite. I think their Vice palette was probably my favorite. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? So let's got a little button here you push in. And yes, this is going to create a heck of a glare. That darn light. But this is what the inside of it looks like. All of these are like sparkly metallic colors, and I see 3 matte shades. Elemental, what is this one? Antidote, and Dreamweaver. Yeah, those are matte, and the rest of them are metallic. And look how large this palette is. Looking at it online, I didn't think it would be that big, but I'm pretty happy with it. And of course, it's the standard Urban Decay price. It's like $52, something like that. But anyway, let's get that out of the way somewhere. Okay, now here's some fun stuff. I got this at Walmart. This is from Onyx Bathhouse. It was $9.88. Bath Time Cocktails Bubble Bath. You get 14. You get a lemon lime margarita, mint julep, blueberry mojito, all different kinds of things. And Onyx Bathhouse is not, everybody's like, oh my gosh, it's just a Walmart brand. No, it's not. They have it at Ulta and Walgreens and a bunch of different stores. You might actually have seen their products with only this name on it, Onyx. It's the same company. And it's women owned, so yeah, I like to support them. So I'm looking forward to using this here in a little bit. And this is what I wanted to get to. I've already opened this, but this is the Onyx Bathhouse 25 Days of Bath Bliss. It's an advent calendar, and instead of makeup or whatever, like the one from Ulta, it has a bunch of different bath, body, whatever products, bath bombs and stuff like that. And I've already opened it, like I said, but I want to open it one more time just so that y'all can see what's in it. Oh Lord, my table is so full right now. It's ridiculous. It's covered in ribbon and all kinds of crap. Not literal crap. Okay, this is what, oh, that noise. This is what we have. Mostly bath bombs. There's a lot of bath bombs in here. Here is some bubble bath. And here's some bubble bath, some bath salts, and this is like a foaming bath powder. This is bath confetti, and as you can see, I tore this. I wanted to take it out and look at it, but I did tear the bag a little bit because each one of these things, they are glued in. As you can see right there, they are glued in, and I did take some of them out and then put them back in, and they stuck right back down. And then when I tried to take this out, I tore the bag. So be very, very careful when you're taking this stuff out, especially in this blue powdered bath stuff up here. I did tear it. So this is a peach bubble bath. And then all of the bath bombs. See, I already took this out a while ago and it already stuck back down. All of the bath bombs have a little label on it and it tells you what the scent is. Like this one is Cherry Blossom and it looks like a little cupcake. And then this one is a diamond. Oh Lord. See, all of this was loose and now it's just sticking itself back down in there. Strawberry, and then your gingerbread. I like these, the chill pills. So these are pretty awesome. But yeah, this would make an awesome gift too. I know a lot of people ask, like with these advent calendar things, what exactly is in them? You know, they want to see before they go out and buy one. Is it worth the money? I say yes. I say that this one was definitely worth the money. And it's fun to open. Of course, not for me, because now I already know what everything is that's in here. But anyway, it'd be a cute gift for somebody else. I just want to open Chill Pill right quick. Lord. And see what's in it. Oh, this is strawberry. Okay. But anyway, yeah, that's what I've got. So, I was going to do another Dollar Tree shopping haul, but it's the same old Christmas stuff that's in all the other stores. I'm sure they're not getting in anything new. So, after today, I'll be back to doing more craft videos. This was my shopping review day. So, if you would, please, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. I'm going to go take a bath, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!